The key? Where is the key?
Dad, are we locked out?
I can carry it. I am strong.
I can see our house.
Last one there is a slow turtle.
Thank you, Brown.
Almost home.
I love this house.
I won! I won! Open the door, Anna.
Here we go. Time to get inside. That is strange. Wait, not here either?
Brown, what is wrong?
Jacket, no. Hip, no. Back pocket, no. Dad, what are you looking for?
Daddy, where's the key? Let me check. I will look in my bag. It is not in my bag. I am sorry.
Okay, listen. I have something to tell you.
The key is missing. I cannot find it. What? No key? No way!
I will check. Maybe I have a message about it.
Come on, door! Open! Please open! Wait, the window! We can climb in! Think carefully. Where did we have the key last?
The store, the cafe, the car, I cannot remember.
Maybe I left it in the car. Let me look. No, not in the car. Okay.
We can call Grandma. She has a key.
Grandma. Yes, that is one idea. Good thinking.
The window plan was good. It was a great plan.
Stop. Everyone take a breath. We are okay. We have a problem. That is okay. Problems are normal.
It is okay, Anna. We will fix this together.
The window plan was good. It was a great plan.
We will fix this, I promise. We do it together. Hello? Hello? Is anyone there? No answer. That is okay. We try something else.
It is okay, Daddy. We will find a way.
Okay, family meeting. Everyone sit here with me. Give me 3 ideas. How do we get inside? Go.
Me, climb through the window.
Good energy, Jack. But tell me, is it safe?
Maybe we can call Grandma? She is kind.
Good thinking, Anna. Grandma is one option.
A locksmith can open our door, fast and safe.
Window, grandma, locksmith. 3 good ideas. Let's think.
Wait! What about the back door? Is it open?
Last one there has to wash dishes.
Pull, Jack! Hothead!
I am pulling hard. No, not this door too.
Good try, Jack. It was a great idea.
Climbing the window is too high. It is not safe. Grandma is far away. That takes a long time. A locksmith is fast and safe, but it costs money.
Do we have enough money, Dad? Can we sleep in the car tonight? The car is nice. What? It is a good car. I like the car.
Okay, let us stop. Let us breathe. Ready? In and out. Good. Again. In and out. When we have a problem, what do we do first?
We think. We do not panic.
Yes, we think. We do not panic. Panic makes things worse.
Children,
Every problem is a puzzle. Listen to me. Step 1, stay calm. Say it with me. Stay calm. Step 2, think of options. What can you do? Step 3, choose the best option. Now you can solve it.
Step 1, calm. Step 2, options. Step 3, choose.
Okay, but which idea do we pick now?
Good question. Which is safest? Which is fastest?
The locksmith is fast, and it is safe. It is the best.
Yes, and also Grandma makes very good cookies.
Wait. I am remembering something. Something important.
Oh, I remember now.
Mrs. Chen next door. I gave him our spare key months ago.
Let's go! Let's go to Mr. Chen right now.
I will get the key. I am the fastest.
Wait. I should speak to her. I know her best.
Hello, Mrs. Chen? It is the Brown family, next door. Someone is home. The light is on. We wait.
Hello? Oh, the Brown family.
Hello, I am Brown. We live next door. We are locked out.
I gave you a spare key months ago. Do you remember?
Thank you. You helped our family today. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Chen. You are very kind.
Yes, problem solved. We did it. Yes.
Dad, you were not scared. How?
You did very well today, Brown.
We all did.
I need a snack right now. I am very hungry.
Finally, home. I am so tired.
I am happy we are home, Dad.
I made a mistake. I should have made a spare key before.
Dads make mistakes too? Really?
Everyone makes mistakes, Anna. Even dads. That is normal.
So next time we need a plan B, right, Dad?
Yes, Jack, exactly. Always have a plan B.
Problems are puzzles. Stay calm, think, then solve.
Problems are puzzles. Stay calm, think, solve.
Problems are puzzles. Stay calm, think, solve.
Now, we make a plan so this never happens again.
Careful, concentrating. I will draw our neighbor's house right here.
I am writing plan B, big and bold. There.
There. Now everyone can see our plan.
Now we are ready. This will not happen again.
This is a very good snack. I am happy now.
Good day, after all.